Are you struggling with storage space on your phone because of the numerous media files shared on WhatsApp? If so, you may want to change WhatsApp storage to an SD card. In this guide, we will provide you with 4 quick methods on how to move WhatsApp to SD card, allowing you to free up Android. Part 2. How to move WhatsApp to SD card via WhatsApp Transfer. WhatsApp Transfer is a program that offers a comprehensive solution for moving your WhatsApp data to the SD card without rooting. This tool transfers data and includes other features like backup and restoration of WhatsApp chats. Part 3. How to change WhatsApp storage to SD card with Windows or File Explorer. Connect device to computer using USB cable. On phone, select Connect for media transfer. Open WhatsApp folder in File Explorer. Choose Files. Copy cut. Go to SD card storage or other location. Paste WhatsApp chats there. Part 4. How to change storage location of WhatsApp via File Manager. Open the App Drawer or Tools folder on your device and locate the File Manager app. From there, select the WhatsApp folder and tap Move. Choose SD card from the list of options to move the folder to external storage. Part 5. How to shift WhatsApp to SD card with ES File Explorer. Install ES File Explorer from Play Store. Open ES File Explorer. Go to Internal Storage, WhatsApp. Select Folders Files. Tap Copy or Move to in More options. Browse SD card. Select Destination. Confirm and transfer data. Part 6. WhatsApp moved to SD card grayed out. Tips to fix it. Update WhatsApp on Android. Make sure your device's software is updated to the latest version. Ensure that your SD card is properly mounted and functioning. Check if your device's storage settings allow for moving apps to the SD card.